I'm here with Tamara Bertino, who is Customer Product Service Manager at Malvern Panalytical. Welcome, Tamara.
Thank you.
I understand that Malvern Panalytical takes pride in its high-quality instruments, so you'd expect lifetime service as well. Can you explain a little bit about the services here and why they're necessary?
So we have our service agreements that are just like what you would have for your other technology, so like your car. So you have preventative maintenance that you can use for your car. So you would also take care of your car engine, tires, and brakes, so that it performs to its peak performance for safety. And we would also do that with our service agreements for Malvern Panalytical instruments. We have them to keep your instrument running smoothly, and at preventative maintenance to make sure that there's no issues. So just like your car, it stays in peak performance.
That's a great analogy. So I imagine that if I have an electric car or versus a car that has just fuel in it, so customers probably require different maintenance plans and different service agreements as well. Have you tailored for that?
We do have several different maintenance plans available. We have 5 different levels of our service contracts to meet just about every customer's needs. We can take them from a very basic level of coverage all the way to our all-inclusive programs that cover everything for total peace of mind.
Okay, and I'd expect in a very demanding environment, it would be very different from a very demanding environment to any other environment. Is there a difference in the packages that you can guide me to the direct one?
Yes, we have a new tool called our Service Solution Configurator, and this allows a customer to configure the package that's just right for them. You can select the base package and then add options like training and applications to that, and make it customized for your own needs.
Okay, what questions can I expect in the configurator?
So we'll ask about your Malvern Panalytical instrument. How critical is it to your uptime? Do you have another system or a redundancy in your facility that will take care of that? Or, do you need to comply with certifications or regulatory compliance?
I guess that makes a difference in the type of service agreement that you'd like.
Exactly. So then we can customize it with all of the different options for whatever industry you're in.
Okay, and where can I find more information?
Please reach out to your customer service associate and they'll be able to direct you.
Okay, well, thank you very much, Tamara.
Thank you.